this one make you ride on. What a adoration all over creation. Yeah, sometimes rain and sometimes shine. All the sorrow and trouble you gotta leave behind. Ride on.
All right, well, it's April 6th, 2022. It is a beautiful Wednesday, and today I'm gonna practice flying my drone from my friend's sailboat. Pretty fucking pumped. Never done that before. I practiced with an old Phantom 4 for quite some time now, and then I was thinking I gotta get a better camera because the Phantom 4, although it was pretty fucking badass, it doesn't really meet some industry standards.
Shut the fuck up.
I think it's like 6 years old. After much debate and tons of YouTube, I made the decision to get the Mavic 3. I'm a new pilot, but this drone is really, really incredible to me. Right now I'm in the middle of trying to put together a reel so I can pitch to people for work. Kind of in the early stages of my YouTube, and I'm just kind of posting some practice flights and said I would never pay for YouTube Premium. About 2 weeks later into the drone stuff, I did, because I don't have time to watch all these ads. I just kind of got away from the real like fun part of being a video guy. So the drone has kind of pulled me back into like the fun and the messing around in the plane and, you know, the traveling and the adventure side of filmmaking. The real ultimate goal for me is to get some shots that I'm really, really happy with. I really want to make these shots something special. Holy sh! That was pretty sick. Captain Travis, really pumped. Learned a lot today. It was not easy at all to fly off this thing because, you know, he's sailing, it's just the two of us. I would have another drone pilot on board. I was able to hand launch one time, very, very sketchy, extremely sketchy. That was really stupid. That was stupid. That was dumb. I went 3 for 4 on landing. I don't know what it was. I mean, I turned off the sensors. It seemed like the bird was just getting away from me. That's what it takes, I guess. There's a lot of risk, and if you want to do cool stuff with your drone, you're probably going to be taking very high risk with it. Moral of the story, get insurance. Don't do what I did. I really just wanted to get a couple shots, you know, for my reel, and I think I succeeded in that today with Captain Travis. Yeah, mission accomplished.